Okay, hello, I am Sheen from Kaneva, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this particle right here. I'll show you what it looks like. That's what the particle actually looks like. It's going to be a little bit different. It's not going to sway like that, and it's not going to be as wide, but it'll be almost the same. So that's how we get started. To start with, you need to go to build mode, then you need to go to build, then develop, then special effects, and then new. That's how you start your particles. Now I like to move it to that side because that little box gets in my way sometimes. And then I exit develop mode. Don't have to do that, it's just what I do. Next thing you want to be doing is you want to be clicking this plus button up here. Finding your texture, this is my particle folder. And I know it's down there, so click my water. Then hit preview. Now I can't see my water because it's too small. So I'm going to bring the size up a bit just so you can see it. Preview. See? Now the water will spawn floating into there. Now we want it to be floating in there, but we don't want it to be floating in there like that. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to emitter. And we're going to change the life to 1. Just for the sake of putting the life to 1, doesn't really need it. Then I'm going to put wide 0, depth 0, and height 0.01. Which will give me like a big 3D tube of dots. And from this big 3D tube of dots, I'm going to make it go a little bit higher. So I'm going to go to the VY. And I'm going to raise it up to 8. So 8, then set. 8, then set. Then preview. See, it's gone higher now. And then from there, we want to be going back to forces, right here. Then we want to be checking gravity, so gravity is now turned on. And then we want to be putting the gravity to 1.5. Then we're going to hit preview. And that should make it drop just below the ground. You see? So it's not falling through the ground. That's the start. And it's just stopping before it hits the ground. And from there we need to go and make the particle, which we need to come back to size. So particle, size. Then we need to bring the bottom one, or the one on the left, right to the bottom. And then we need to zoom out and bring the one on the right straight to the top. Preview. Now I've basically got the water fountain. We just need to do like the cool little splashes coming out instead of a perfect water fountain, because it's boring. So you take these two boxes, the X and the Y mirroring, which just flips it around and makes it look different. Preview, and see how it looks a little bit different now. And the next thing we're going to do is, you see how it ends flat like that, and it doesn't look proper like water would. So we're going to go to alpha, and we're going to click halfway down the line, see halfway. And then we're going to drag it down on the right hand side, and then click set, and then hit preview. And that will make it nice and vanish into the darkness pretty much. That's pretty much your particle done. All you need to do now is just hit the submit button. Obviously you don't need to click a colour, then just hit upload or submit, whatever you want to call it. And then you want to be just calling it and then just whatever the heck you want. Go set to private 0. So after you fill that in, it'll be in your inventory. And then just click OK and just cross that away because you don't need it anymore. And it vanishes, so I'm going to go to build, then I'm going to open my inventory. Then I'm going to go to particles. And it should be in here. You want to click any object you're going to attach a particle to before you attach a particle. So I want to attach it to my particle test area, so I'll click that and then I'll type in water. Oh, there's there. Then click use, and I should have my water fountain. There it is. One water fountain. So that's how you do it. Anybody want to ask me questions, just send me a PM. You can see my name on the screen, and I'll be happy to answer them. Bye.